Morning, just going to show you this bit being tidied up. Smooth the surface up a bit, get it similar texture to the rest of the brickwork. Sorry, I'm holding the camera in my hand, I can't be bothered to put it on my head. So, there you go. That's the repair done. I had a few people yesterday on the comments saying, why do it like that? Well, generally I don't. I change the bricks if I can. You can take them out, turn them around sometimes. It's just showing different ways of doing it. You know, if you're taking them headers out, you can damage the inside too easy. I've seen big panels of brickwork done by brick restorators, and they've practically rendered it with this stuff and then cut the false joints in and done it. It looks fine. Whether it's the right way or not, I don't know. I prefer to change the bricks, but I'm just showing you different ways of doing it.